Sometimes, yes. If the vehicle is a larger commercial vehicle weighing more than 10,000 pounds, then the law does not apply as it does not view that as a consumer vehicle. Additionally, manufacturers are very careful to craft language in their warranties that expressly disclaim liability for any incidental or consequential damages. Usually this includes lost revenue, lost wages, or any other kind of business losses. As such, recovery for business losses under a breach of warranty theory is not available since those damages were expressly disclaimed in their warranties. However, if a vehicle is a smaller or light-duty truck, and especially if it is used for both personal and business purposes, it should still qualify for lemon law protection.